fixed deposit. So what is fixed deposit? Everybody know? What are the advantages of the fixed deposit? Fixed deposit, fixed income we can get it. Liquidity is there. Loan facility we can avail. Flexible, we can put it 3 days, 30 days, 3 months, 300 days. Like that we can fix it. Risk free. This is the advantage of the fixed deposit. Advantages. We can put 1 day to 20 days. Flexible, whenever we need to take, we can take back. Tax option is available. ATC up to 1.5 lakhs we can claim. 5 years. If we are putting 5 years, 0.2% to 1% extra in a senior citizens. 5 years people will get, for example, 60%, 6%. That 60 plus people will get up to 0.2 to 1%. Then shareholder, we can take FD benefit. Corporate FD is there. TDS, there is a difference between TDS and tax. Two different things. For TDS, once whatever the interest you are getting, the bank will deduct according to your slab, minimum 20% to 30% after deducting because government will never believe you will pay the tax or not. For that reason, given an instruction, clear-cut instruction, bank, whatever the interest you are paying, you need to cut down 20% tax, then you can give balance amount. You file the tax. Then the customer is eligible for tax, he is not eligible for income tax, then he can file the thing, he can get back. That clear-cut instruction is there. For that reason, whatever amount we are paying, we are getting the bank interest rate, we need to, that 20% after deducting the tax only we can get back. Suppose we are getting, our maturity is April, then we need to wait more than 1.5 years to get back our money. So avoiding the TDS, you can file the 15G below age group of 5 or 15H for senior citizen up to 2.5 lakhs. You will not get the tax TDS deduction that year. So up to maximum 2.5 lakhs for your interest income you want to save means you can file the 15G or 15H. For 15G for below 6 years child, 15 years is above. So you can save your TDS. It is not mean that save tax. Tax is something different, TDS is something different. So you can tax anyhow based on your income, you need to file end of the year. But TDS you can get it. TDS amount will not deducted, you can get it. Finally, whatever the amount, the total amount is there, you can pay the money. Avoiding the returns. Suppose TDS, anyhow TDS, you want to reduce your TDS, you want to avoid the TDS, what you need to do? You can do one thing. You are putting the bank such a amount, less than 10,000 rupees interest need to come into your account. For example, your interest is in a 6%. You can put 1.5 lakhs. You will get only 9,000 rupees. That 10 TDS will never deduct. Once above 10,000 only, the TDS will be deducted. If you are going for an other way of investment, that non-banking financial company, that time your return should be less than 5,000 rupees. More than 5,000 rupees, the TDS will deduct. For that, what you can do, you can put your grandchild, your son name for that same 1.5 lakhs. If you have 5 lakh rupees, you can divide it into 4 amount of 1,25,000. You can put it in a different name. You can save it, but your name should not be there for every investment. That independent name should be there. Otherwise, you are putting in a same bank for ABC Bank. You are putting ABC Bank 2 lakh rupees, 1 lakh one branch, another 1 lakh one branch. Your TDS will be deducted. For TDS, you need to save the TDS. What you need to do? You need to pull ABC Bank 1 lakh, BCD Bank 1 lakh. That means different bank you can put 1 lakh, your TDS will not be deducted. So this is the advantages of the fixed deposit. So where we do investment, fixed deposit, what are the places are there we can invest? So National Bank, private, small finance, non-banking financial company, housing finance company, credit corporation society. These are the places we can deposit our fixed deposit. So if you take a credit cooperative society, non-banking financial company, housing financial company, etc., highest interest rate. What are the difference between non-banking financial company and the bank? These are the difference are there. Highest interest rate, lowest security, risk is there, lot of risk is there. Loan not sure, we can't get loan. Tenure maximum we can put 1 to 5 years. That means non-banking financial company, housing finance company, these are the places. Tenure we can put maximum 5 years. Flexi FD is not available. What are the minimum amount is there? We need to fix that same amount. Shareholder FD is available. You are a shareholder of the company, bank. You can take that bond into, you can get the interest. So next thing, bank. There is a different. Here there is a higher interest. Bank is in a lower risk interest. Comparative non-banking financial company. If you take non-banking financial company, will give 10 to 11, 8 to 9%. Bank will give 6 to 7%. But here there is a highest level of security is there. Non-banking financial company security is not available. Loan we can take it based on our FD. We can deposit the FD document. We can take it the loan. Tenure we can go for according to our requirement. We can put it. We can put 10 years, 15 years, or 20 years. But non-banking financial company we can't put. Flexi FD is there. Shareholder FD is not available. These are the place we can deposit. There is a different. I think team, as of now, whatever I try to communicate, you will get the information. So now we will see the interest. How the interest will come, what are the interest rate are there, we can see. There is two types of interest is there. One is in a simple interest, another one is in a component interest. What is the simple interest? What is the component interest? We will see the different. Simple interest, you are investing 100 rupees. You will get the 1 year return 10 rupees. Then again we will go for 110 rupees for investment. Again second year end you will get the 10 rupees. That your corpus is 120 rupees. In the same way, 5 years down the line, your amount is 150 rupees. That same 100 rupees you are investing in a compound interest. You are putting 100 rupees, 1 year period 110 rupees. That 110 rupees will go second year interest. That time you will get 11 rupees. So with 111, next year you will get 121 rupees. Like that, 5 years down the line, you will get 161 rupees. Now, yeah, everybody can understand what is the difference between simple interest and compounding interest. Because here that only interest we can accumulate. It will not accumulate here. Interest will accumulate. That is the difference. So tax deduction, bank interest rate 10K already we discussed. So national non-banking financial company, your interest is more than 10,000 rupees, bank will deduct your tax. Non-banking financial company, more than 5,000 rupees, your interest is there, it will deduct. So with you have PAN, you are submitted to the bank PAN number, your tax will deducted only 10% of your interest. You are not submitted the tax PAN card to the bank, your tax will be deducted 20%. I think can understand? Yeah. So now, if FD is taxable, fixed deposit taxable, interest rate, how interest rate will calculate? How your money, when your money is going to be doubled? That calculation we are going to see now. If a interest rate is in a 9%, if an inflation is in a 3%, interest tax will deduct 3%, you will get 6%. When your money get doubled. Team, this is a very simple calculation. How many years you are going to deposit into 72? That is in a formula. You need to calculate with the 72 as a formula. So if you are depositing 8 years into 72, within 9 years your money will get doubled. Your interest rate is in a 6%. You are paying, you are depositing in 6 years. Your money will calculate your 6 years period. Your interest rate is in a 12 years period. Your money is getting doubled. So this 72 is a very important thing to calculating the FD return. The formalities of getting back. What are the formalities are there to getting back the TDS? So we need to file 16A or 26AS. We can get back the TDS if we are not in the income tax slab. So this is the method for investing in a fixed deposit. So what are the advantages we discussed? How to avoid the TDS not tax. So anyhow at the end of the year we need to pay the tax. So TDS, because in middle of the suppose April month deducting the TDS, we need to wait for another 1.5 years to get the TDS. For avoiding, we need to submit 15G and 15H. So then what are the simple interest? What are the component? Where we can deposit nationalized or non-banking financial company. So this is the thing team. Now we are going to see, everybody knows we are investing 1 lakh rupees. We can take back, senior citizen means 6.5 to 7%. Normal people we can get 6%. In India, there is an inflation rate. It there to take back our return on investment in a fixed deposit. We need to consider that important thing as an inflation rate. In India, there is an inflation rate approximately 5.5 to 6%. That means you are keeping your money ideally in your resident, that 1 lakh rupees remain 1 lakh, but in purchase power of that 1 lakh rupees will come down to 94,000 rupees because inflation rate is 6%. You keep 2 lakh rupees ideally in your resident, 6% inflation rate, 12 lakhs, 1 lakh, 88,000 only you can get. But bundle will be there, 2 lakh rupees bundle. But purchase power of money will get down. How it will come? That is a very important thing for that inflation. Suppose I will give the example like the way. Suppose you are working in an organization. Your managing director is coming to you personally. He say, "Hi Ganesh, hi Dinesh, you will get your salary from this month, double the salary. You will get the 100% bonus. You will get year after, you will get every month you will get double the salary." How we will feel? We will feel very happy, no? We can feel very happy because salary is getting double. So everybody feel happy. What will happen? If your organization is there 100 people, in your state is there 1 crore people, in India is there 130 crores, everybody is getting double the salary. What will happen? Everybody get happy? Can you tell me the answer? In personally, we will get the salary double the amount. We will feel happy. But we get the 1 minute team, 1 minute. Hello. Yeah, by consider meeting. Yeah. அனுப்பிடுங்க ஸ்ட்ரக்சரை போகுதுல்ல, சரி அனுப்பிடுங்க. ஓகே. Yeah, sorry team. Yeah. So team, I am asking you the one small question. You are getting salary hike, you will feel happy. Everybody in India getting salary hike, how you feel? Everybody get happy, or can you give the answer in chat box? Everybody get happy. Suresh sir, thank you. Saji sir, no. Yeah. Raju sir, no. Yes. Yeah. Everybody feel happy. Of course, yes. Mukesh, yes sir. Yes sir. Yeah. Everybody happy. Ramesh Babu sir, no. Yeah. Yeah, of course. Purchasing power same. Purchasing power same. Yeah. Happy. Everybody happy. Yeah. Everybody happy. Yeah. Thank you, team. Thank you. Yeah. So, thank you for your comments, team. Now we will see what is there in a increasing the salary, everybody's salary. Team, there is a financial theory is there. If your cash in entire people cash flow will increase. Suppose I am getting salary 30,000 rupees. I may plan to buy a Apple phone, but it can't able to buy because my salary 80% will go for family expenditure. So 1,000 or 2,000 only we can save. So I can't able to think over the Apple phone. In case my salary is getting double, that time what I will feel? Excuse me. What I will feel? So that time I can get the 30,000 rupees extra money is there. So 2 month money I can get the Apple phone. 2 month salary I can save it. I can get the Apple phone. That time my purchase power will increase. Once my purchase power will increase, like that in the entire India, everybody's purchase power will increase. What will happen? It creates demand. That demand will be, that demand is there. Obviously, what will happen? Protection is, we need to increase the protection. Apple phone protection is, we need to increase. Then what will happen? That employment will created. Lot of people getting the job. Again that cash flow will come. So this is the routine basis theory. So what will happen? Everybody is getting the salary high, that everybody, that value remain constant. What will happen? This flow will be there. That time price will increase because that we need to give this employee, we need to give the salary, higher salary, because everybody is getting salary high. What will happen? That protection cost will increase. If you take 20 to 30 years before, gold price is per 7, 8 to 10,000 rupees. Now 30,000 rupees. That time rent is there 8 to 10,000. Now 25 to 30,000 rupees in Chennai. Like the way that money value will go down. In India, inflation rate is a 6%. Based on that only gold price will increasing. That is the reason we can't get back higher returns in the gold, because the gold price will, we talk about next week what are the things like now how we could discuss in the FD, we will talk about gold. So everybody is getting the salary, everybody is get the salary increased, it will not happy, because purchase power will go down, money value will go down. In Russia, there is one country, Uzbekistan, you need to get the max box, you need to give 500 rupees, one single max box. That country value 500 rupees, you need to get one single max box. But here in our country, we can get 1 rupee. Bundles are, lot of bundles will be there, but value will not be there. In case everybody is getting the higher the salary. So this is the financial theory. So we need to educate the customer. Sir, you are getting fixed deposit obviously 6.5 to 7%. But how much amount you are taking to your house? Only 1%, not even 1%, 0.5%. Because purchase power of money is went down 6%. India inflation rate 6%. So for that reason, you need to look out the alternative investment. Suppose 1% or person invested 5 lakh rupees is getting back interest 6%, 5%. What happened after 5 years? That 5 years remain constant. 5 lakhs that same. But purchase power of money will come to 4.2 to 4.3 lakh. 80,000 rupees purchase power will gone down. But 8 years he get the interest. How much interest he can get it? So 5 lakhs, almost 30,000 rupees per year. So 5 years down the line, what is the amount he is getted? What happened in the purchase power of money put together? End of the day, he bring his house 1 to 2% only. Based on that calculation only, if you are going for a developed nation, you are going for an America, Japan, you think the bank interest rate in 6% in every country? No. Because you are going for investing Japan 1 lakh rupees, Japan will say, I will give 1 lakh 200 rupees. 0.2%. Even that Japan language, those people will say, sir, your money we are keeping safely. Why we need to pay the interest? For example, you are going for a bank locker, we are hiring a bank locker, who will pay the maintenance charges? We will only pay, no, because we are keeping our material, document, jewelry or cash, whatever things, we are keeping our material there, we can get. So, developed nation, which country money flow is there, that country will never give the bank interest rate remain same. If we can calculate which country is giving the, if you take in India, in 1992, in our country, the Prime Minister, Mr. Chandrasekharan sir, what happened that time, we taken our jewelry, full three ship jewelry, we need to pledge with the British. We need to take the 3 ship jewelry. We take the went for pledging the country British. That time we given interest rate 16%, highest interest. When our jewelry is, our country jewelry is keeping some other country, we are not in a developed state now. That time we don't have money flow sufficiently. Everybody is having their own money problem. For that time, bank is given 16%. In 15 to 20 years back, like today's situation is not there. That time bank is given 14% interest rate. Now bank is giving 6%, 6.5. When the money flow is there, obviously bank interest rate will come down. This is the financial theory. Which country money flow higher level is there, that money. So we can educate to the customers, sir, today you are getting 6.5%. India having 137 crore population. In this 137 crore population, more than 80 crore population are below age group of 35. We call the young India. In this young India, work with basic requirement. What basic requirement for young person, 32 years young person, what is the basic requirement? Food, cloth and shelter. In this basic requirement, for this 80 crore people will work now, obviously money flow will develop. Once money flow will increase, that bank interest will come down. That is happened in the entire world. So we need to educate to the customers, sir, tomorrow bank interest rate will come down 100% because of these are the reason. So instead of keeping the bank interest rate, now you are getting only 1% because of the inflation rate. Future you will not get that 1% also. For that reason, you can think about solar. I am not asking you to entire amount put solar. I am asking you to put one small part based on your electricity bill. You can park the money. Suppose you are getting 2,500 rupees electricity bill. You can park 2 lakh to 25,000 rupees. You are paying electricity bill per month 5,000. You can park around 4.5 lakhs. That's it. Once 4.5 lakhs you are investing, anyhow you will get the within 5 years you can get the 4.5 lakhs. Because you are in a bank, your EB bill per month 5,000 rupees means per year around 60,000 rupees. In the 5 to 6 years down the line, you will get back your money. But your electricity bill another 20 years you can save. So for that reason, you can park a small amount in a solar. So we need to educate the people like the way, because we need to give the clear instruction, fixed deposit, interest, where we can do all those things. Then only the customer will think, okay, he is giving a clear cut example. These are the sections. It will not be, even bank manager immediately can't say 15G, 15H. Maximum who can concentrate, focused people only can understand these are the things. In this 72%, these 72 numbers, how many years our money is going to double. These are the things, this 60, how 16A and all. So we need to give the education, clear thing. Then customer will feel, okay, is giving the exact information. So we need to go for check one more time, then we can think. Then customer will go and check all those things. Everything is true. Then he will look out the inflation rate. These are the theory also is exactly we said, whatever the things we said, it is correct. Then customer will think immediately for solar. Again, we will finish with the advantages of the solar. What are the features? What are the advantages available in the solar? We can say solar is a Latin word. Already we COP also we can see. Again we can say, because customer point it is new. As a partner we know solar is a Latin word because already we informed to you. Again we will go for second time also. Solar energy can be used to produce food, heat, light and electricity. Obviously in the day-to-day year together we are doing that one. We are consuming electricity, we are using the power of sun in a various aspects, preparing the food, heating the water, or anything dry purpose we are putting in a dry or using the light to some other purpose. Solar power is a free, inexhaustible. So endless technology. Until the sun is there, the world will remain. Once the sun is not there, within 20 to 25 days, that world will get died. Entire people, the entire system will go collapse. So solar panel are used to residential and commercial. So we can put solar entire thing. Based on the number of panels only we need to increase. Solar panel are used in a residential, commercial and industrial applications. Resources are everlasting, endless. Already we discussed. No environment concern problem. We know as a partner, we know what are the technologies there. Atomic, wind, solar, biomass, biogas, hydro. These are the things are not going to be solve our solution. Solar is going to be give only solution next up to end of the day, because the solar technologies remain constant. This solar technology will give some additional advantages, like how in 2002 2003 the mobile phone is there, no? Only we can use the 1100 phone. It will be very cute mobile. We can get set alarm. We can play snake games, and we can hear the radio. That's it. We can say hello. We can put a SMS. But today's mobile, internet is there, computer is there, tape record is there, everything is there in the mobile. So like that, technology will improve. How it will improve? Today 1 kilowatt generating approximately 5 units per day. Maybe 5 to 7 years down the line, 1 kilowatt will give 7 to 10 units per day. Like that only. But sun is the ultimate thing. We can get it free. Pollution is not available. Any pollution, domestic, any pollution, soil, air, water, nothing is there. So this technology is going to be remain constant. No environment concern problem. Modular in nature, obviously new technology. Transport and losses, nothing is there. T and D losses, nothing is there. Tailor-made power generation. Tailor-made means tailor-made, based on our requirement we can put the solar. Suppose we are putting solar for 1 AC, we can put 3 AC, we can put 5 AC, we can put it. Solar energy is noise and pollution free. Solar energy can also be generated in the night with the help of photo switching. That photo switching is little bit costly now, but future is going to be a technology photo switching. India solar energy sector is estimated to grow 25% year on year team. Reduce dependence on fossil and fuel. Modularity and scalability. So we already discussed India 25%. How it will come 25%? 175 gigawatt. Only 56 gigawatt we are in a verge of completing. Not yet completed. So 117 gigawatt yet to complete another 2 years, another 1 year. 2022 is a mission. Already 2020. So another 2 years need to complete. So that 2020 117 gigawatt, 90 gigawatt is a rooftop domestic solar. We need to put our residential purpose. So these are the thing. So for definitely solar will get 20% year on. Fossil and fuel, we know crude oil we can getting from the mine. We can't able to produce crude oil. Same way we can't produce so we need to look out alternative, because these technologies, the fossil and fuel also is getting over another 10 to 12 years down the line. So we need to go to alternative. In 2035 there is now one data, 85 to 100% of the vehicle in 2035 electric vehicle only is available. So we need to look out the alternative to produce more energy, because already this thing is completing the thermal coal is going to be complete. So we need to look out the alternative. Modularity and scalability. Based on our requirement, we can take it. Government standard that mandatory minimum usage level of renewable energy. Team, in future, how the rainwater harvesting system is mandated. Like that, otherwise what will happen? If you think, we shown the calculation. I am an employee, I am a businessman, or any of the one I am doing. So I am getting the salary of 30,000 rupees. I put my house one single AC. My electricity bill will come every month 3,000 rupees. My petrol bill will come 3,500. In my entire salary, I will pay 25 to 30% for energy consumption itself. Without electricity, we can't able to survey. So we need to go for electricity. But our entire expenditure, our salary is going for 25 to 30% means every month. It is a huge large. So for saving purpose, we need to go for solar. So we need to educate the customers, sir, going solar, you can get 16% return on investment. How 16% return on investment will come? We will see now. Team, you are going for a 3 kilowatt solar for your domestic purpose. Per day, 5 unit per kilowatt. So 15 kilowatt, 3 kilowatt will generate 15 unit per day. So in Tamil Nadu, we know that 500 unit above, that's 6 rupees. In entire set, 4 rupees from the zero itself, so first unit itself. In future, our Tamil Nadu also will go for first unit itself 6 rupees, because now the central government is taken. So 450 units, 6 rupees, that means 2,700 rupees. Into 12 months, 32,400 rupees. The compounding, the interest will come to 16% return on investment. So I think This detail I explained in domestic purpose. Now, suppose we are putting in a industry purpose, that unit price is in a 10 rupees, 12 rupees also is there. That same 3 kilowatt, same 15 unit price is at 10 rupees means 450 unit at 10 rupees means 4,500, 12 month, 54,000 we can save. Interest will come 22%. Interest will come 22% annual return. So these are the return is not available. So now you as a business person, you can directly go and approach to the any of factory owner. Need not to worry. He don't have money. He don't have land. He don't have investment. But only he is consuming the electricity. Then talk about power purchase agreement. He is agreed, sir, you are getting unit price 12 rupees. We are ready to give 10 rupees per 10 years. Are you accepted? We can say we will never change 10 years unit price. Once you need to put a MOU, Memorandum of Understanding. 10 rupees I am buying from this company. This Memorandum of Understanding you are ready to sign. Without your investment, we can give the 10 rupees unit for next 10 years. Definitely nobody will say, I don't want. Because now that private players, lot of private players is going to be play the role. If you are staying in Bombay electricity price is 8 rupees domestic electricity price. You are consuming 100 unit in Bombay, you need to pay 800 rupees. You are consuming electricity unit 100 unit in Tamil Nadu, you need not to pay 0 rupees. There is a different, but in future it will not be there in the future, different. So in domestic industry purpose, lot of things are